Hello guys, welcome to my channel Late Night Deep Talk Show, and today we are gonna talk about how to open your third eye. Well, this won't be forever, but it will be a temporary thing. Like for a few weeks you can experience how it is to be, because in originality, if you want to open your third eye, you got to awaken the six chakras before that, like from lung till your throat chakra. After the throat chakra, the Agya chakra, you get to the third eye chakra. But I'm gonna explain a very good way in which you can experience that for a while, and it hardly is gonna take a week, not more than that. So if you guys are ready, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. So the technique to do or open your third eye temporarily is, first of all, I will say don't even do that, because it is a headache. I think, like, because we are not ready to see such things. It's like jumping six levels and going straight to the seventh one instead of playing the six levels first. But still, I'll tell you guys the method. So for this, in this case, you need to be in some kind of an emotional taruma, something traumatic or like fearful or despairful or bad. Something like this needs to happen to you, something that triggers your emotions. Now, for example, imagine you just go home and like your wife says, like, here's the divorce paper, sign it, and everything was fine till now, but like all of a sudden a divorce came up. You are emotionally fucked up. After that you start thinking what to do about it. So when this happens, instantly on that moment, like when you have this high emotional thing going on in your brain, releasing all those chemicals, all you got to do at that time is like go into a separate room, sit over there with your back straight, and then close all the holes in your body. Like, close your nose, put the two fingers in front of your eyes, use the third finger to close your nose, and use the thumb to close your ears. Like, there should be no air going inside your body for a while, and you just have to do it once for as long as you can do it. Some people can do 3 seconds, some can do 5 seconds, some can do it for 10 seconds. But this is the real process. What you got to do, you got to close all the holes of your body, nostrils with the third finger, first two fingers on the eyes with the eyes closed, and the thumb used to close your ears. This way it will be very hard to breathe for you, but as longer you can handle it. And the main thing, the trigger, the anchor for this thing is like the taruma you should have had, the emotional shit that's going on in your mind, because at that time our brain is releasing some different kind of chemicals that you can use actually to awaken such a superpower for a while. Like, after you do that, if it works, like your head should start hurting the next day. You will feel pain and like little bit weird for the next couple days, but in a couple days your third eye will be open. It won't stay open forever, and it's not the full power third eye type. It's like a demo third eye, you can say, a trial version of it that you can keep for a week or two. But I tried it, it's worth a try. Like, when you close all the holes of your body and only when you place to breathe, that is when you go inside the real you. You can see what's inside your body. So you will see a color or something like that. But that's the process. Close all the holes in your eyes and just like do it for as long as you can. This thing will help you open your third eye for on a temporary basis. For the permanent one, there is a whole yoga, hatha yoga, various kind of things, meditation. Like, there's a book called Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. They taught like over 2005 ways of how to meditate. Like, it's very easy to meditate. You just got to like keep your mind like calm, clear water inside your head. It should be always empty, calm, and clear, like water without any disturbance in it. That's how you like proceed in the Kundalani process. You keep on increasing, and raising your chakras this way. But having a silent mind, like as calm as water, is very important to open the third eye. If it doesn't work in the first try, do it 2-3 times at least, but only on the time when you have that emotional problem going through your head. and it should be a little big, not a small thing like that you start doing this exercise on. It should be really something traumatic or like really bad for you, that makes you feel bad, you feel lost in despair. That's the moment when you need to try this technique. Well, that's all for today. That's all I had to say. If you guys like, try it and comment in the comment below if it works for you guys. It worked for me after 3-4 times, honestly, and I always do it whenever I get some emotional problem like that, because you get more intuitive for the next 2 weeks once you open this third eye, even if it's temporarily. You have more focus, more intuition, like you feel like a different person, your energy level rises. Well, that's all I had to say for today. Thank you very much.